Hi sis, happy birthday. I wish you all the best, more birthday to come, good health, and more blessings to come in your life. I know I'm still there, always still there for you, kahit noon pa na sa mga pangarap natin noon hanggang ngayon, nandito pa rin tayo sa isa't isa at hindi tayo nag-iiwanan. Sana hanggang sa huli, andyan ka pa rin at andito lang ako para sa iyo. Mahal na mahal kita sis, kahit anong mangyari. Alam ko meron tayong mga hindi pagkakaintindihan, pero andito lang ako para sa iyo. Magtutulungan tayo. Tayo yung parating nagsasama at nagpaplano para sa pangarap. I hope this year or next year, all our plan will be succeeded. Happy birthday again, sis. You will enjoy today.
I want to greet to you to happy birthday, and stay humble, stay beautiful, and stay sexy, and more TikTok for you. more TikTok. Once again, happy birthday and God bless. Love you, Mom.
Karon. Sana matupad mo lahat ng iyong mga minimiti sa buhay.
Happy birthday, Carolina. Wishing you happiness, success, and many wonderful moments today and always. Happy birthday, Carolina.
Caroline, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Birthday niyo mo? Okay. Happy birthday na.
Hi, Bilat Carol, Kabudka girls, partners, happy birthday. I wish you all the best and good in health and more birthdays to come. Ang masasabi ko lang sa'yo, Bilat, ay iwasan mo yung pananampal mo, paglasing ka, o naghahampas, nakakatakot ka kasi pag nalasing ka. Malikot niyang kamay mo. And I love you. Take care always. Happy birthday and good day and enjoy your day.
Hi sis, happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Good health and more blessings to come. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Caroline. I wish you all the best and good health. And I hope ma-successful na ka para makauli na ka dani. Matiman, nandi mo si Precious, si ni Carl. Unta mo dato na mo ni Tito Nico. And unta mo bloom inyong business sa water. Okay, kanara.
Happy birthday, Tita Carol. Ako maingon na kay mabuhay ka matagal. Enjoy your day and amping always. Okay, bye.
Happy birthday sis. Stay healthy and be a good girl. God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Lynn. Nico misses you. Hope you're fine. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Tita Carly. Today is your Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy birthday, Nanay. I hope okay lang yung trabaho diya. Amping lang. I love you, Nay.
Happy birthday, Nay. Wishing you a happy birthday karon sa birthday nimo. Love ka na mo always ni Precious Dari. And though wala ka dari ron sa Camilla, we will always remember you sa mga tabang inyong gibuhat sa mga ni tatay niya. Ang gusto lang namo duha is dili kay ka ma-stress bitaw. Oo. Ang paano na ko say mo is have a happy year karon nga tuig. So, God bless, be blessed, and be a blessing.
Maayong pagsaulog sa imong adlaw nga tawhan, sa akong gwapa nga igagaw,
unta buligan ka sa Ginoo sa taas nga katuigan ug maayong panglawas, himsog kanunay sa adlaw-adlaw natong pagpanarbaho nga layo sa pamilya. Unta magminus-minus na mo ni Manang Maria mag-inom, sige lang mag-inom. Pero happy birthday. Then unta magkita na ta. Puhon. Enjoy sa imong birthday.
Hi guys, have a blessed day today and happy birthday to you, my dear. God knows everything what you have been through in the past few years, but you are still stand by your own, being a strong woman, so you survive everything. And I hope in this extension life of yours, you made a great for who you are. Stay being a good person and humble. And thank you for being a good friend of mine. Once again, happiest birthday. I love you, Dangs. Good luck and good health.
Hi, Lynn. Happy birthday. Another year older, another year wiser, or at least better than pretending na feelingon pa kay ta 18 years old patakaron. Kay kung pangutan-on na ba dayon ta, kanang indo na din nato, wait lang, pinaka-ato akong edad, nakalimot naman ko, amnesia na din si ante na. So anyway, I know every time mag-dream ka, imugid siyang buhaton. So push lang yun, Lin. Pray until something happen. Wala siya ang meaning sa push. Sa Matthew 7:7, it says there na, ask and it will given to you. Seek and you will find. Knock and the door will be open to you. So, I pray and I always pray na include yun pa ka sa akong prayers na layo ra ba ka sa Philippines, layo ka sa imong family, always yun ibutang imong self na naka sa safe perminting. And mura pud na akong kalipay sa imuha nga nakuha nimo imuhang mga giplan, mga goal, mga dreams. And I also pray nga one day mag-uban mo tanan sa imong family diha, kumpleto mo, mag-uban mo, mag-enjoy mo ang throughout the years. I pray also nga perminti ka safe, good health, na more ginang number 1 na ako ginaano sa imuha. And may your big cake, may your cake be big. Your worries be small and your age remain unclosed. We're good na, magpilingon 18 pagyapon ta. Wishing you good health, lots of smiles, and plenty of reasons to laugh today. Happy birthday, Lynn. Enjoy your day. God bless and I love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Bess. Wishing you good health, happiness, and success in everything you do. May this year bring you closer to your dreams. Enjoy your special day. Happy birthday! I love you!
Hello, Day Caroline. Happy birthday. Thank you so much sa atong friendship nga always lang taga-katawa. And also, I wish you all the best and I wish you happiness sa atong pamilya o sa atong mga anak, especially good health sa ilaha sa Pinas. Enjoy rata diri. Enjoy sa atong trabaho, enjoy bisag unsa kalisod as a OFW. So, thank you so much kay pag nag-day off ta, katawa ra ta no bisag daghan tag problema pero wala ta gamay sa mga problema. Happiness ra ato, agi enjoy ra ta sa atong life as a OFW and as a mother nga naa sa layo sa mga anak. Thank you so much, Day Caroline. Wish you good health and stay pretty. Mwah.
Hey sis! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Caroline!
Puro happy
birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Bess!
Hi Zizi, happy birthday. Even though we're miles apart, your love and dedication to your family makes me feel so close to us. Always stay grounded. Remember your main purpose and why you are working so hard. May God bless you with endless joy, peace, and beautiful moments with your loved ones. We love you so much and we miss you every day. Happy birthday.
Pretty Caroline, happy birthday. May God bless you with health, wealth, and abundant blessings in your life. God bless you. Again, happy birthday.
Wishing you a birthday as special as your soul card. May you always be surrounded by people who love you and moments that make life beautiful. Happy birthday, Caroline. I miss you.
Bayot, birthday daw ni mo karon. Happy birthday na kay. Busy ko, nalibang ko bayota ka. Oh. Tiguang ka na bayot. Bye, happy birthday.
Hi Bruja! Wishing you another wonderful year of happiness and joy. Happy birthday again!
It's your special day, time to celebrate. You're another year older, don't you hesitate. Cake and candles, presents and joy. Happy birthday to you, you're the real McCoy. Happy birthday, you, for you.
Hello be, kamusta na? Pasensya na. Ngayong birthday mo, wala na naman akong may regalo sa'yo. Pero ganun pa man be, kahit wala akong nabibigay na regalo sa kaarawan mo, lagi ko naman nireregalo sa'yo yung puso ko, yung pagmamahal ko be. Kahit ilang kaarawan pa yung dumating, ganun pa rin ang ireregalo ko sa'yo, wala magbabago, pagmamahal ko pa rin be. Mula noon, nagkita tayo sa Coastal Mall nung nagtatrabaho pa ako sa food chain. Ganun pa rin hanggang ngayon sa tumanda na tayo. Magkalayo man tayo be na mag-celebrate ka ng birthday mo. At least wala magbabago be. Mahal na mahal kita. So sana ngayong birthday mo be, i-celebrate mo kasama yung mga kaibigan mo na magbe-birthday din be. Enjoy your birthday be. Mahal na mahal kita. Ganon pa rin ang sasabihin ko, mahal na mahal kita. I love you be. Enjoy your birthday. Happy birthday. And soon sana dumating ng time na sa darating na mga birthday mo or birthday ko is magkasama na tayo. Basta ngayon, enjoy mo lang muna yung birthday mo. Mahal na mahal kita. Wala magbabago be. Saksi ang Diyos sa lahat ng mga na nangyari sa atin. Enjoy your birthday. God bless and always, I will always love you. Bye bye babe.